AI is everywhere, but in practice, adding it to your business can be daunting, expensive, and time-consuming. We've made this much easier for you. With AI as a service, you only need to focus on what's important. Pick any of our ready-to-go solutions or customize one and then integrate it directly into your business. Whether financial, medical, e-commerce, we have an AI solution ready for you. How can our AI services help you? Take a look at some of our solutions. Extract and verify data from statements, identity documents, contracts, etc. Optional integration with third-party governmental services are available. Boost patient-client engagement by adding a medical AI chatbot service based on their medical records. Clients can ask the chatbot for recommendations or other concerns before consulting a doctor. You don't need a team of AI experts to help you run the solution. All our solutions are API-based, making them plug-and-play compatible. With the Highwind Marketplace, we have customizable plug-and-play solutions that are affordable and scalable. Start your free trial today. Go to www.highwind.ai and get real results with real AI.